Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility. Make sure your degree or overseas equivalent meets CPA Australia rules, then register immediately for the CPA program so your enrollment date is set. Once done, map required foundation or top-up subjects and book them straight away because early study slots fill. If you have relevant work experience, apply for recognition of prior learning to reduce required subjects. This speeds your progress and avoids repeating material you already know. Now tackle the program, enroll in core segments, and work through applied learning tasks. These build practical skills you'll be assessed on. Make sure to schedule each exam on release windows and practice with mock papers. This reveals weak areas to target. Meanwhile, document 36 months of relevant work experience using the approved templates and get supervisor sign-offs as you go, because experience is assessed separately and must align with CPA competency standards before you can advance. Finish by ensuring all exams are passed and any capstone or competency assessments are completed, then submit your final experience records and apply for full CPA membership. Make sure documentation is consistent and your supervisor endorsements are current, because discrepancies slow approval. If something goes wrong, missing sign-off or an exam clash, contact CPA Australia promptly, request a formal extension or alternative pathway in writing, and keep copies of correspondence to expedite resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.